How to put countdown timer to Instagram story. So to create countdown timer on Instagram story, all you have to do after you open your Instagram app like this now, tap on your profile at the bottom right side. After you open your profile like this now, tap on this plus button beside your profile to create your story. This plus icon, tap on it. After you tap on this plus icon, it will take you to this option now. Now swipe to down like this. After you swipe to down like this, now I open my story camera like this. You can go ahead and open it anyway. So after you open this story camera like this, now tap on this section as you can see now. Tap on this AA section, this one. So after you tap on this AA as you can see now here it says create. So all you have to do now, you can go ahead and change the background if you don't want this background. Tap on this little icon at the bottom right side. So you can change the background. After you choose your desired background like this, so tap on this sticker icon at the top, this middle, this sticker icon, tap on it. So after you tap on this sticker icon, now go ahead and search for count. Just type count in this section. After you type count, as you can see now, here is it countdown. So tap on it, countdown. So tap on this create new button. So as you can see now, here it says countdown name. So type in the name of your countdown. So for me, I'll just go ahead and launch on. I'll just type like launch time or launch time. You can go ahead and just type something in this session like remain time or something like your desire. So tap on this session to choose the time. So after you tap on this session, as you can see here, it says choose an end date. So as you can see now, I'll just swipe it to up. As you can see now, today I'm in 23 of April. So here is it. So I will just make it to 24th of April. So choose an end date. So as you can see now at the bottom here, it says all day. So if you leave this all day, it will just be playing all day. So make sure you turn off this option. So if you turn off this option, as you can see now, it says choose an end day. So this countdown, it will end on, as you can see now, on Wednesday 24th of April 12 a.m. It will just end by this time, 12 a.m. of Wednesday 24th of April. So after you finish just choosing your desire, tap on this done button at the top. So you can go ahead and tap on this next as you can see now at the bottom. So you can go ahead now and share it on your Instagram story like this. Tap on this done button. So now if I tap on my story like this, here is it now, as you can see now. So as you can see now, here is my countdown timer on my Instagram story. Hope this video helps you out. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share.